I can give it to my Barbie. For hair products, this looks cheapish. Hi gorgeous, I have here the Asos Beauty Advent Calendar. The price of it is £75 and we have 24 products. This year it comes in a tote bag. We also have this beautiful scarf. I love that they made the Advent Calendar very reusable. And this one is the box. Let's see how it looks. Ooh, super pretty. It reminds me last year's Advent Calendar. Let's go to day number 1. Okay, that sounds like skincare, maybe a moisturizer. This is the Drink Up Intensive Overnight Hydrating Mask with Avocado and Glacier Water by the brand Origins. This one sounds very hydrating. We have 75 milliliters. It is the full size. Nice start. And door number 2. I'm gonna say mascara. Okay, it's not. This one is the Dr. Pow Pow Rich Mocha Balm. This one is a multi-purpose soothing balm with natural Pow Pow. You can use this on the lips and also on the cheeks. It is fragrance-free, cruelty-free and vegan. This is the full size and I have also tried some other colors of this product. As you can see, this is not transfer-proof. Also, it has like a slippery and sticky consistency. For the cheeks, I don't like this formula, but for the lips it's gonna be very hydrating. For the cheeks you need to apply powder to set it. Moving on to day number 3. Yeah, it is definitely a sheet mask. Oh, it's not. I have 2 products in here. Oh my god, what is this? Unbelievable. This one is a sample. This is by the brand Beauty Works and it is a daily treatment. Daily. For your hair, it contains argan oil and vitamin E. We have 30 milliliters. Maybe you can use it twice. We also have this comb, most likely to distribute the product on the hair. Because we have the comb, it doesn't make the sample better. Door number 4. It sounds like a sharpener. I hope it is a lip balm. It's not. This is the Egyptian Magic All-Purpose Skin Cream. This is so tiny. I can give it to my Barbie to hydrate and nourish lips, face and body. With all of this? Okay, so this is how it looks. It's scentless. Door number 5. I hope it is a lipstick. It's not. It's not. This one is the Urban Decay All-Nighter Face Primer. It can prep, smooth and perfect your skin. We have 5 milliliters. This is definitely a sample. It's not the mini product. Yeah, it is super tiny. Why do we get so many samples? Unbelievable. I have never used this one. It looks like a lip balm. Anyways, most likely I can use it twice. I'm gonna give this one as well to my Barbie. Door number 6. I'm gonna say a gel eyeliner. This is the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. We have 15 milliliters. This one is a mini product. With this one you can remove face and eye makeup. I'm currently using one from the Yes Style Advent Calendar. It irritates my eyes, so I want to try this one as well. Maybe I can use it 7 to 8 times. Yeah, maybe. Let's continue to day number 7. I'm gonna say a lipstick. It is definitely not. This one is the Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3 to repair and strengthen all hair types. We have 30 milliliters. It is definitely a very small product to use. For my hair, maybe 2 times. I don't understand why hair brands are giving mini products to the advent calendars. It's not a good promotion of their brand. I don't get it. For hair products, this looks cheapish. Day number 8. It sounds like a full size. I'm gonna say a toner. This one is the Revolution Skincare London Glycolic Polisher. It can gently exfoliate to reveal a brighter, fresher complexion. We have 100 milliliters and this one is a full size. I have never tried skincare by Makeup Revolution or, Revolution Skincare. Door number 9. I'm guessing that it is a lip balm. Oh my god, it's small! This is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair for all skin types and we have 7 milliliters. This is a sample. You can get these for free. The packaging is adorable, okay? Maybe I can use it 2 or 3 times. Or I can also give it to my Barbie. Barbie is gonna get a lot of products today. Up next, door number 10. I'm gonna say a mini shower gel. Yes, it's not. This is the Ordinary Hydrators and Oils, 100% plant-derived squalane. You can use this for surface hydration. We have 30 milliliters. This is a full size. So the most affordable brands gave full-size products for the Advent Calendar. With concentrated skincare ingredients, it is always better to start with a small quantity of the product. Day number 11. Oh my god, this is a sample. It's not. This is a pair of lashes by the brand Denti Professional, and we have seen this brand again in the Pretty Little Thing Advent Calendar. They look a little bit terrible, so I want to open them. Some lashes are falling off. What happened with quality control? This is definitely not a good advertisement. Door number 12. It sounds like a lipstick. I hope it is. Oh yeah, it's not. This one is the Caudalie Vino Perfect Radiant Serum Complexion Correcting. We have 10 milliliters, my friend. It is absolutely beautiful. I like this matte bottle, and we also have a glass dropper. Most likely you can use this in a week. It looks like a sample again. Door 13 was a little bit stuck. Is that good? Is that bad? I'm gonna say a lip balm. So this one is by the brand Psychic Sisters. I don't know how it's called. It is something gua something. I can't find this one on their website. It is called Gua Sha. I don't know what is the material, the gem. If you have any ideas, let me know in the comments. You can use this to massage your face. It looks matte. Should it be like this? It looks like beaten up. Door number 14. Eye pencil. I'm saying eye pencil. This one is the Sleek Makeup Life Proof 12-hour wear kohl eyeliner in blackmail. Oh my god, it's so creamy, and of course the tip broke. This one dries fast, but you have some time to blend it out. It has a very nice color payoff. You can use it as a base on the eyelid or even in the waterline. Moving on to day 15. I'm hoping for a full size. It sounds like a mini skincare product. This is by the brand We Are Paradox, and it is the Repair 3-in-1 conditioner. You can use this for silk-like softness. We have 30 milliliters. What can you do with 30 milliliters? Most likely I can use it twice. Let's continue to day number 16. I'm gonna say a toner again, because I have no clue. This one is the Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. This is by the brand This Works. We have 100 milliliters. Full size body lotions are 250 milliliters. So let's sniff this. I think it has lavender and chamomile. The scent is very strong. I don't know how you can sleep with this one. Day number 17. This doesn't sound well. This is the Invisibobble Scrunchie You Dazzle Me. It's very pretty, but I want to see if it is soft. Okay, it's not that bad. Day number 18. This one is a sheet mask. Yep. It is a Soothing Hydra Solution by the brand Dr. Jart. I think I have used this one yesterday. Even though it is a single-use product, it can do something for my skin. Door number 19. It sounds like a lip pencil. This is the Seattle London Definer Liner. It is a gel eyeliner with sharpener. This one is a twistable eye pencil. We have this beautiful shade. You can apply this in the waterline to make your eyes bigger. It's not very blendable, so it's not ideal to use it as a base on your eyelids. I cannot find the shade name. Door number 20 is the bigger one. Okay, it sounds liquidy. I'm gonna say a toner. Found it. And this one is the Elemis Soothing Apricot Toner. Oh my god. It smells so good. And we have a spray to apply it. I like this way. That means you don't have to use a cotton pad. Finally, we have a full size. Up next, door 21. It sounds like a lip gloss. And we have here the matte lipstick by MAC in the shade 626 Will. And I already have it from another advent calendar, I think from last year. It is this, yes, for some reason I kept the box. I am that person. A lot of times when you ask me what brand lipstick I have on my lips, it is this one. I absolutely love this shade. It is so gorgeous. The matte lipsticks by MAC are not completely matte. They have just a little bit of sheen and that makes them creamy so they don't dry out your lips. Here we have day 22. I'm gonna say a gel eyeliner. Oh god, we have two products. That was unexpected. This is the Le Mini Macaroon Nail and Cuticle Oil. And it is hydrating and nourishing. So pretty. So we have 10 milliliters. This is definitely a full size. Cuticles. That sounds better. I don't use products like this one often. It smells nice. It has a very light scent of roses. It's not overpowering if you don't like the rose scent. And we also have a nail file. It is super adorable. Then let's go to day number 23. Oh, it doesn't move. I'm gonna say a sheet mask. This is an eyeshadow palette by Iconic London. It is in the shade Warm and Blushing. So yeah, let's see what we have. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oops. We have a nice crease color, something to contour the eyes, also to highlight, and on the eyelid. That's a very nice color story. We also have a tiny mirror. Yeah, you cannot do your eye makeup like this. This product is such a nice surprise. Let's continue with door number 24. I hope it is a sharpener or a lip balm. It's a sample. It's a sample. This one is by the brand Charlotte Tilbury. It is the Charlotte's Magic Cream Instant Turnaround Moisturizer. It has SPF 15 and we have just 7 milliliters. 7. It is also written on the packaging, sample not for sale. Thank you for the sample. The packaging is absolutely adorable. My Barbie doll is gonna like this so much. It has a nice scent at least. The samples make this advent calendar very cheapish, so I'm gonna give it 3 stars. Let me know in the comments how many stars you are giving to this advent calendar, and you can watch next the Maybelline advent calendar. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!